Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop, and today in the shop we have Freddy Krueger. So as you can see, we have a lot of lighting stuff going on in this Jeep, and this is a brand new 2022 that St. Louis Auto Detail went ahead and wrapped this in a Freddy Krueger theme. Let's go ahead and walk around it just real quick here. So you can see, obviously, Freddy Krueger going on there. And we've got wheel lights, we have underglow, we have rock lights, we have fender lights, all from XK Glow. And coming across the front, we have Diode Dynamics, RGBW, DRLs, and Demon Eyes. We have fog lights, grill lights, everything here. So let's go ahead and come back around, show some of the features of the XK Glow products here. So first off, let's go ahead and hit the turn signals, the left turn signal here. So you can see everything flashes for the turn signals on the left-hand side, including fender lights, the wheel lights, and the rock lights, and the underglow. Let's go ahead and shut that off. And we have a red out button here. So, of course, in the great theme of Freddy Krueger, we have red. Now, let's turn that back off. And with every part of this XK Glow, we've got different functions here. So as you can see, changing the lights here for the wheel lights. We can change the rock lights independently. We can change underglow independently here. And then we have the fender lights here as well that we can change on its own controller. Next up, let's go ahead and come back to the front here. And we're going to show you the functions of the headlights. So currently we have everything set on red. And let's go ahead and get into the Diode Dynamics app. So here we can change the halos, green, blue, amber, purple, red, or back to white. We can set these on a pattern here, and we can do the same for the Demon Eyes. And while we're at it, let's go back into the XK Glow, and let's set that to its own little theme. Let's see, let's go to Halloween for the XK Glow stuff. So here we go. Let's get that going. So as you can see, we have the Halloween theme on XK Glow, and we have the 7-colored jump for the halos and C-bars. Sorry, the halos up front. Don't forget here, the bumpers here were done by Iron Bear here in St. Louis. And let me get this set to a solid color here. You know what, let's go to red. So there we have our red out, and you can see Freddy Krueger right there behind the bumper. So this is a freaking killer Jeep. Just an amazing job from a lot of different companies that got to play with this one. It's at our shop today with 221 miles. And it will be revealed very soon. If you guys have any questions about the products in this Jeep, let me know. Thank you very much.